Hello and welcome to Kotlin lesson. Today's lesson will be about infix function. To create an infix function, first we need to create a class that we will declare the function inside it. And then there is other condition to create infix function. It only takes one argument, and when we create it we need to put the keyword infix. So here we created class called numbers, and then we created the infix function. We put the keyword infix and the keyword fun to create any function, and then we name our function number range, and then we specify one argument type integer, and it's called num. And the function is basically will print a range of number from 1 till you specify. If you say till 100, then it will print from 1 till 100. So here for I in 1 till this number, if you say 5, so it will print 1 till 5, and so on. But it's infix function. So the difference in the infix function that we declare it inside a class, and we use the keyword infix, and it only takes one argument, is when we call it. We will call it inside the main function. First we need to create an object of the class. We will become to the object near in the next lessons, but for now only you need to know we will create an object of this class. It's called b, val b equal to the name of the class, numbers, and that's it. We created the object, and now we will call the function. We will say we declare an object of the class p. We will say b, and then we call it like this. We write the name of the function, which is number range, and then we put the argument. Here the argument is an integer, and we need to write an integer. Here we will write like 7, and then if we run it, it will call the function, the infix function, and it will print from 1 till 7. Let's run it. So here it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.